everyone, a person draws 3 cards from a standard 52 card deck. We're going to find the probability of drawing exactly 2 red cards in any order without replacement. We have half of our 52 cards are red. So that's 26 out of 52. So when we're drawing a card and we draw red and then black, we're going to get 26 choices out of 52. Now we don't put the card back in, so then we're going to get, make this a little better, only 25 red cards are left out of 51. And then the next card has to be black. So for that to be, that's going to be, there's 26 black cards still, so that's 26, but out of 50. So let's just multiply this out. These two right here is, let's see, 13 out of 51. If you simplify this. And then this is 1/2, so I multiply that by 1/2. I'm used to not using a calculator, so I don't want to use a calculator until I can simplify first. So this is going to give you 13 out of 102. Now, that's if we do the order red, red, black. What if we did red, black, red? If we did that, you start with the same, 26 out of 52. Black would be 26 out of 51. And then red would be back to 25 out of 50, which is our same number. Okay, if you did black, red, red, it would be 26 out of 52. Then for the red, it's 26 out of 51. And then we have 25 out of 50. So it looks the same as this one. So you get the same number. So we multiply this by 3. So you take 3 times 13 divided by 102. And so your final answer is going to be 13 out of 34. When they write a problem like this, they usually don't write in any order, but it's understood that it means in any order. If they want it to be in a specific order, they would say 2 reds first and then a black, something like that. All right. Also, this number here, we just wrote it all out here. So, and 3 is easy to write out, but usually when you are doing probability in any order, what you do is you multiply by the number you have. So 1, 2, 3. And it's usually 3 factorial. The reason, which is 6. The reason we have 3 is because we have identical permutations. We have 2 reds that are identical. So that's why you divide that by 2, and that would give you the 3. If it was red, green, and blue, something like that, we would have multiplied this by 6. All right. Anyway, that's just a little side note. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.